Bayer Pharmaceuticals introduced heroin to the world in 1898 as a safe, non-addictive remedy for children's coughs and colds. They named it after the German word heroisch, heroic, because test patients felt so powerfully euphoric. It was marketed directly to mothers, sold in corner pharmacies beside aspirin. Doctors prescribed it to infants. Within a decade, addiction rates across America and Europe were catastrophic. Bayer knew the compound was morphine diacetylated, twice as potent, twice as fast to the brain. They sold it anyway. The profit margin was heroic. Follow, they don't teach this.